Hey friends, Drew here with 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation. I want to give you a tour of a bathroom project that we recently completed for a family. Tight quarters here, so it's going to be kind of fun to give you a tour around what's going on here in this space. First thing we did, we started out by taking out the normal swing door, putting in a beautiful pocket door for them. And that's just going to save them a lot of space and increase the usable space in the bathroom. The original door used to open up here to the left, but then of course your light switches had to be over here next to the sink, and they just didn't like that layout. So we were able to move all the electric over to the left-hand side, put the pocket door in, and then what was in here before was a very low soffit ceiling that dropped down. It was a dark enclosed tile shower space, and then toilet facilities over on the far side. And because you had this, drop down soffit ceiling that was here, and the big walls running floor to ceiling all the way through here, it felt like a very closed in space. So what we were able to do was really open things up by knocking down that ceiling, taking things out, going with the glass enclosure on two sides and a half wall here, putting in a different style sink, making it a little bit bigger, a little broader, trying to make the space feel like it's larger. And with mirrors on both sides, that can sort of help with that piece a little bit as well. This is a very unique medicine cabinet setup where the pulls actually pull out from the side on that. So some gorgeous tile work kudos to Norm for putting this together. He did a phenomenal job on this particular shower layout. And so we've got a base down there, we've got a step and a seat, a couple grab bars, of course, tile niche. Really came together super nice. We were really pleased with how this project came together, and then came in with the glass doors and the glass package around it. Didn't go frameless in this case, went with a brushed nickel, and that just came out absolutely phenomenal. And then of course, a little privacy back here for your facilities, and an over cabinet with a towel bar underneath. And we've also used the radiant electric heat mats underneath the tile flooring, so that the floor is nice and warm when you're in the restroom and you're not walking around with cold tile on your feet. So this project really came together nice. We're really thrilled with how this came out, and we really love doing bathrooms and kitchens and basements. So if there's something along these lines that we can do for you, give us a call, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗗𝘁 Construction and Renovation and Extension 2. For new projects, our office staff is available weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Of course, you can reach out to us 24/7 on our Facebook page, facebook.com/𝗗𝘁'𝘀. We are your full service construction and renovation contractor, from a new home build, garages, additions, and the internal renovations, the kitchens, master baths, makeovers, the suites, in-law suites. We can do that for you. If you're really looking for a nice relaxation space in your master bath, we can arrange that. Finishing your basement, no problem. And the silly little home repairs that come up, whether it's siding blowing off your house or just some minor incidental things throughout drywall repairs, we handle all that as well. 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗗𝘁 Construction and Renovation and Extension 2 for new projects, and our staff will be happy to serve you soon. What problem can we solve for you? Remember, it's not just done, it's 𝗗𝘁 built. We'll catch you guys on another video. Bye for now.